In 2D graphics, 4x8 is not the same as 8x4. It is standard practice to specify the width first and then the height, the same order as 2D coordinates for X and Y, horizontal first and then vertical, the same way computer screen resolution and the size of a piece of paper is always designated as width by height, with no need to specify which number is width and which number is height. And with 2D graphics, 4x8 is not portrait mode orientation of an 8x4 in landscape, because display device orientation does not change the size of the image or the device. If you turn a piece of paper sideways, it does not change the size of the paper or any image printed on it. If you want an image that is 4x8, you specify 4x8. If you specify 8x4, it will be 8x4. Measurement value order does matter for 2D graphics that are not exactly square.